Hello guys, I'm Shanmugapriya, lecturer from SNS College of Allied Health Science. In the previous section, we have already seen some topics under animal tissues, and in the last session, we have already seen about the skeletal muscle tissue. So in this class, we will be continuing with smooth muscle tissue. So smooth muscle tissue. Smooth muscle may also be described as non-striated or involuntary. It is not under conscious control. It is found in the walls of hollow organs. When examined under microscope, the cells are seen to be spindle shaped with only one central nucleus. There is no distinct sarcolemma, but a very fine membrane surrounds each fibers. And then the cardiac muscle tissue. So these are found exclusively in the wall of heart. Cardiac muscle has cross striations formed by rotating segments of thick and thin protein filaments. Each fiber has a nucleus and one or more branches. The structure of cardiac muscle is that microscopically these joints or intercalated disc can be seen as lines which are thicker and darker than other ordinarily cross strips. A wave of contraction spreads from the cell to cell across the intercalated disc, which means the cells do not need to be stimulated individually. So then comes the nervous tissue. So in this image, we have seen the structures of skeletal muscle, smooth and as well as cardiac muscle. So the first image is of a cardiac muscle, which are branched, multinucleated, striated, and these are involuntary muscle fibers. When it comes to the skeletal muscle, we can see by the image itself, it is multinucleated, unbranched, striated. Then and for smooth muscle, these are spindle shaped tissue cells, and these are uninucleated, and they are unbranched. So this is the description of muscle tissues. Next, we are going to see about nervous tissue. So nervous tissue, these are the types of tissues that are found in the nervous system. The types are basically, there are two types, and one is neuron, another one is neuroganglia. So excitable cells are called as neuron, and the non-excitable cells are called as neuroglia. So their function is irritability, the capacity to react to various physical and chemical agents, and then the conductivity, the ability to transmit the resulting reaction from one point to another. And then we are going to see in detail about the excitable cells, that is neurons, and also about the non-excitable cell, that is neuroglia. So neuron is also called as nerve cell. It is an electrically excitable cell that receives and processes and transmits information through electrical and chemical signals. It is working unit of nervous system, and it consists of cell body with cytoplasmic extensions, dendrites, and then axon, pole, etc. And then in the image, you can see the structure of neuron as well as neuroglia. Neuroglia is in the box. Then neuroglia form the support structure of nervous tissue, insulating and protecting neurons. They are astrocytes, oligodendrocytes, and microglia, and ependymal cells, etc. So the main function of neuron is transmit information, irritability, and conductivity. For neuroglia, it support and protects the neuron. So this is the basic description of nervous tissue. In the next class, we will be continuing with tissue regeneration and then about membranes as well as glands. Thank you.